Marimar. Ow! Hey guys, it's your girl Ayn and you're watching Sunkissed Somewhere. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're an old subscriber, welcome back. My name is Ayn Bernos and I do videos on travel, lifestyle, and confidence 3 times a week, every single week, or when I can. For today's video, I'm doing an unboxing of Caroline's Kiss Sticks and Multi Sticks. I got this package the other day and I've been waiting to film this. I'm so excited. So anyway, for today's video, I will be trying these out and I will also be giving you my first impressions of the Multi Sticks. So I'm gonna do a full face of makeup using only Careline. I went to their event the other month, was it? Or it's been a few weeks, I think. And it was so fun and I got to try the Kiss Sticks and I really like the formula. I haven't done a swatch video yet, but I definitely will because, oh my gosh, all the shades are here and they're actually pretty good. So I want to see what they look like on morena skin. It's such a nice variety. I just don't know if it'll look as good, you know? So anyway, today I'll be fixing my face using all of these products. Shall we begin? We shall. I am going to start off with Caroline's Blur Stick, which is essentially a primer. It says, say goodbye to pores with the Careline Blur Stick. Swipe on and blend with fingers to get instantly smooth looking skin. Use it alone or under your base. So since they said under my base, I'm going to use this as a primer. Which is exactly what they just said. Huh. It looks like this. I really can't do this whole beauty vlogger thing. It's actually pretty easy to swipe. Definitely creamy. Creamier than I expected it to be. And that's a good thing because with some of the stick primers that I've tried before, it felt like putting on glue stick across my face, but this one is pretty good. Okay, the problem is I don't know which parts I've put primer on because I can't see it. Okay, it's kind of confusing to know where you've already put it when you put it like that, so don't do it like that. Am I doing it right? See, I still haven't gotten the hang of actually making makeup tutorials. So is this still not a tutorial? Perhaps. I think my face looks better. So far, so good. I like this one. Now, we have to use foundation. They don't have a foundation here, so I'm gonna be using my own. For this one, I will use what I always use because, like I've said before, I don't have a lot of products. This is the Clinique Even Better Makeup Foundation in the shade Nutty. I don't really like putting on a full face of thick makeup just because it's so hot in the Philippines and I feel like my makeup is always melting. So I'm just gonna quickly put on this foundation in the important areas. I usually use foundation as a concealer mostly, so I put it under my eyes and then corners of my nose, the sides of my nose, and then my chin, and then here. And then I just blend it out and kind of use that for coverage. Like that's it. Limit my coverage to just that. And then the excess foundation I'm gonna put all over my neck, my crack. What? Okie dokie. Done with my foundation. That's it. That's the base for my face. Next one, contour. We are using the Careline contour stick. And it says here, throw some shade with a Careline contour stick. Swipe this under your cheekbones, jawline, temple to get your features poppin'. Works great as a quick eyeshadow cheat too. Oh, that's interesting. I never really thought about that. Contour as eyeshadow. See, I'm not very innovative, but here we go. Let's try it. So the multi sticks all look the same. The packaging all look the same. So under my cheekbones. And then jawline. Wow, I have a jawline now. Bam! Temple. There we go. Now I'm gonna try and spread it. Should I use my fingers? Maybe. Okay, I had too much fun swiping that. Don't do it like that next time. Oh my god. I've never used cream concealer before, so this is definitely a first for me. Would I recommend it? Hold on, let me see. I forgot about powder. Should I put this before or after? Okay, we don't have face powder, so I'm going to be using my usual one. This one, the Maybelline White Super Fresh powder. I can just reapply the contour. That was my bad. No, actually the contour still looks good. Key light time. For key light, I don't have anything of Careline, so I'm just gonna be using the L'Oreal Brow Artist Expert in, I don't know the shade. Okay, boom, done. Now let's proceed to eyeshadow. For eyeshadow, I have two options, which are the Careline Peach Stick and the Careline Rose Stick. Peach Stick. Look peachy keen with a Careline Peach Stick. Use this multi-stick on your lids, cheeks, and lips for a quick, cute look in a swipe. Blendable and buildable. Now the Rose Stick. Look rosy and fresh with the Careline Rose Stick. Okay, it's essentially the same thing. One is just darker, the other one is peachier. For this look, I feel like I'm gonna be using the Rose Stick as my blush and the Peach Stick for my eyes. Okay, let's quickly, oh, it's stuck. Static. I don't know how to use this exactly. This is the first time I'm gonna be using this, so forgive me if I do something really unacceptable. Okay, let's zoom in real quick. How about that? Ooh, look at you getting closer. Ooh, look at me, I'm so peachy. Oh, it's actually pretty nice. I'm not usually a peach pink kind of girl because I usually go for earthy tones, but this is a fresh look, I think. Because they said that the contour stick can also be used for eyeshadow, then I'm gonna do just that. Let's use this for the outer corners of my eyes so I could give my eyes a little more depth. Ayan. Okay, it's a little hard to blend it like this. Let's see if I can do a better job with a brush. Oh, not bad. Okay, when I use my fingers, it's a little weird because of the cream formula, but actually when you use a good blending brush, it's all good. Okay, zooming out. Now I'm going to be using the Rose Stick for my cheeks. Oh, that's a lot. I actually like that shade. It's very subtle, very dainty, you know what I mean? A little bit on the nose so I can look sun-kissed. That's a trick that I really love. This is probably my favorite beauty trend, the drunk blush look. It's just so fresh and very summery. And you know, with me, it's summer all year round. Sun-kissed summer, forever. Okay, I put a little too much blush, I think. But I'm not gonna complain. Papanindigan ko to. Oh, we have two more. So there's this strobe stick and the brighten stick. What is the brighten stick? Strobe stick is highlighter. Basically, get lit with the Careline strobe stick. Use it on your cheekbones, cupid's bow, and the inner corner of your eyes and get glowing. Use on the lids for a quick shimmer eye look, or in the center of your lips for a plumper looking pout. Ano ba yan? And then the brighten stick is step into the light with the Careline brighten stick. Use under the eyes and the high points of your face to make your features stand out. Interesting. Okay. Maybe I should have used this before I used the blush. Whatever, it's fine. So let's use the brighten stick for the bridge of my nose because y'all know. Ooh, hello. And then under my eye. Okay, this is not a tutorial because everything is just all over the place and I'm sorry. But at least I'm relatable, I guess. I have no excuse for myself. Maybe I shouldn't have done that. Okay, let's put powder over that again. Positively pleased. Positively surprised. What was I doing? Okay, now we go to the strobe stick, which is the highlighter. High points of your cheeks. Damn, girl. And then my nose. And then a little on the eyelids. And then here. Okie dokie. Now, there's that. We are going to use the mascara now. I don't have their eyeliner, so unfortunately I won't be able to review that very quickly. Here we go. Zoom in again. Di pantay. Now for the mascara, I'm going to be using the Careline Go Big Mascara. I like the shape of this spoolie because it's not like the usual straight thing, you know what I mean? And this way it's actually easier to kind of apply to the individual strands without having them clump. My eyeliner is so thick you can barely see, but I really like the zoom capacity of this this camera. Pretty good. Now, finally, let's go pick a color. So we have these, all the lipsticks. Let's go for a peachier tone. This is Fruit Punch. Okay, that's definitely bright. It's almost like hot pink. Okay, I don't think I want to go for that, so let's skip that and I'll move on to swatches for this. I'm just gonna use the little amount and dab it all over. So I have a pink sort of lip. I used Fruit Punch for the first layer for my lips. And then I'm going to use Just Better for the second one. I'm just gonna put it on top of that. That's a really pretty color. I like it. Oh, that's so pretty. That's such a pretty color. I like it. Anyway, so this is my full look. I'm going to finish it with setting spray. And then I'm going to, actually, I'm gonna pop in some falsies. Bam! Okay, last one. I want to add one last detail. Lip gloss. I love this so much. This is also from Careline, by the way. This is the Careline Extra Shine Lip Gloss. And I love it because it's super mabango. There we go. Now we just have to let my hair down. Marimar,